guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
Today's video, we're going to the mall. We're shopping for each other. So this is a shop for my boyfriend challenge. I don't know what it's called. There's a title somewhere on the internet. But we're doing it and we're gonna go to the mall. Well, the thing is, I'm gonna look for stuff for him and he's gonna try them on. And he's gonna look for stuff for me and I'm gonna try it on. And let's see who has the best. And you're gonna comment down below who picked the best fashion, chic outfit. I think I know what to put him on.
You know, I have no clue whatsoever about fashion, so I'm just gonna grab a bunch of stuff and throw it on him.
Yeah, anyway, we're gonna take you with us. Without further ado, let's go right into the video!
Before the mall, because I'm very hungry, we decided to stop by this pub and get some food. So I got a burger with fries and Yani got some chicken something.
No, I got egg omelette, brunch, breakfast. So we're gonna eat first because we decided that we're hungry. We decided that we're hungry? We realized that we're hungry, so we're gonna eat first. Food arrived. Here's my omelette, my breakfast plate. Fabio got burger. Lunch is done. Okay, we're off to the mall now, for real. Let's go.
No time to waste. Sunny. Oh.
Sorry. Sorry.
So now we're gonna go in H&M and we're gonna pick each other's outfits and we're gonna dress up and see how that goes.
You need to make the choice which one picks the best outfit, okay? Let's go.
Okay guys.
Fabio's the first one picking the outfit.
Oh, am I? Oh, I don't know yet.
Go!
Okay, I'm the first one picking the outfit. Let's go.
Oh my god, there's music,
Shoes
copyright.
Everything?
No, let's not do shoes because it's a lot of work. Wow, he's dressed already.
Wait, do I have to pick something that you will enjoy or?
Just pick something that you think I will look good in.
Okay, let's have an overview of the store because I'm not very familiar with the brand.
Like what kind of vibe are you giving me? Like professional chic? Like what? Like hobo? Street style?
I'm gonna give you very K-pop style.
No, I don't like K-pop. I don't like K-pop. Bitch.
There we go.
You're gonna lose. You know people are gonna pick which one's the best one.
Okay. Think? Can you let me think?
Do you want me to go first?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go first. Okay guys, so Fabio's chickening out and he doesn't know what to pick for me. So I'm gonna go ahead pick the outfit for Fabio first.
As you know, he's a shopping maniac.
So I know for sure that this section won't work because it's all street style. So let's go for it. Because the style I'm gonna give Fabio is something chic.
I don't want to wear shirts. I don't want to wear belts. I don't want to wear dress pants.
Valentine's Day. You don't have it anymore.
What are you looking for?
You don't have it anymore.
Danny's struggling too.
So definitely not here. These are all basic.
I like basic.
You're basic. Maybe this jacket is not. Guys, it's actually a lot harder than I thought. It's hard. I don't know.
I think I'm making up my mind.
You do? Okay,
Yeah.
do you wanna go first now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, no wait, hold on. I think I know now. I think I know.
Okay.
I think I know, I know. Okay, come.
Wait, he's speaking, he's speaking.
I know your size too. I love how I know your size.
You know what? I like the black pants actually.
This might be bad. Look. Oh, let's put this away.
He's changing changing his mind.
Maybe.
He's very indecisive.
Are we just doing one look?
Yeah, well, let's show what you picked so far. Okay, black pants and then in jacket. Oh wow, he said no basic, but he's picking everything very basic. I see him struggling a lot actually right now.
It's really hard. Shopping for other people. We cannot be personal shoppers. Okay guys, so I think I picked all the outfits for Fabio.
Let's see. Okay, so 3 items, no accessories, nothing.
Basic. Oh,
Very
let's
basic.
not do accessories. That's a lot of work.
I'm doing everything.
You're going full out?
This is a video.
Okay.
You don't have time now. You
Oh,
pick yours.
I'm picking 4 items because there's another extra.
Okay. Because I'm already seeing you lose this challenge. Speaking of very interesting combination, he's gonna be crazy, I have to say.
So I have 5 outfits after all.
No, it's one outfit.
Yeah, but they're all jackets. You can switch them.
No.
Come.
No, wait. No, it's one outfit.
Just one outfit?
There's no such a thing as 5 jackets.
Okay, let's go, Fabio. Try this. Okay, guys, Fabio's in the dressing room now. Let's see how I did.
You can clean this over.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
What's wrong?
How to model it after.
Put the denim first, though, and then...
I'm putting it.
Okay, guys, I think he's ready. Are you ready? None of them is right sizes. They're... Okay, reveal. Reveal. Go.
Be sure to follow
Wow. Okay, you look good. You look good. Fix the t-shirt. You look good. See how versatile that look is?
A lot easier.
See how versatile that look is?
Then we need to give a vote to each other. A score.
How is it, Fabio?
I don't know what size you think I am, but definitely not a small and not a 29 pants.
I thought you were skinny. I'm sorry. I thought I got your sizes perfectly.
I think you're stuck in the past. Like maybe when you met me I was that. So my inspiration for today's look is Casey Tandingan. So I'm gonna go for a very edgy.
You're gonna make me colorful like a rainbow?
Yes, very colorful, very edgy. So I'm gonna start by picking this shirt.
Nope, I hate it already.
I don't care. Did I say anything about her?
Okay.
I'm gonna wear.
Actually, that color looks good in my skin tone.
This is my combination.
Oh my god, that's an ugly color. Fabio, that's an ugly color.
I know that I picked it because I know you don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't care.
I'm not Karencita. I'm not. That's an ugly combo. You're making me look like McDonald's, red and yellow. That's McDonald's.
But I'm gonna give you a large one.
Are you making me look ugly? Fabio, you know this is a competition, right? Are you gonna make me look ugly? Fabio, what the hell? How ugly is that look? What is your plan? What is your idea?
This because I think you should apologize.
That's actually beautiful.
You should apologize to me for all the things you do. Good. I think I'm ready. I just need a hat.
A hat? Since you already have a thumbnail, let me post for a thumbnail. Here. Just here. Beige.
Done.
Beige.
Perfect.
That's, you know, that's an ugly look.
Finished.
You're not gonna get me coming out from the dressing room looking like...
You have to. I didn't blink when you picked my outfit.
Okay, here.
Okay, I'm very excited for the outfit that I picked for Yani. He's gonna look real cute and I hope I win this competition because, you know guys, I'm very competitive, so I need to win. So I don't care what you think about my outfit, but you need to vote for me.
I don't care.
I hope you guys appreciate that I went for something that is not so conventional.
I actually like the plan.
So thank you. So yeah, I went for something that is a little bit non-conventional, and I really hope you appreciate that I took a risk. Yani went very basic, very black basic, nothing special. Come. There we go. I love it.
This is hideous. This is ugly.
One nice word. Let's show the. Wow, show the shirt too. The shirt. Not the t-shirt. The shirt. Yes.
Ugliest outfit ever.
It's perfect if you wanna go fishing and you wanna look cool.
This one I like.
Very basic.
I don't like it. That's not what I picked for you.
It's very light.
Go back. Yeah, it's very cute, very cute.
Hey guys, so we just finished our shopping. Who do you think won? I loved my outfit more.
Like the one you picked for me?
Yes.
I really don't think so. First of all, not one of the sizes was correct.
Okay,
I
but
still am mad about it because now I feel like a cow. Because
Okay,
you
okay,
pick
hold on,
everything so
hold
small.
on. At least it was fashionable. It was street style. It was fashion forward. It's what the kids are wearing nowadays.
No, I think the outfit I picked for him, it was a lot better because I took the risk. I put some colors. I didn't go for conventional, traditional outfit, and I was very creative to it. I took my inspiration from Casey Tandingan. Thank you so much, Casey, for inspiring me in my everyday life.
There was a lot of colors. There was a lot of patterns. That's just ugly.
Okay, they're gonna decide.
Okay, you guys are gonna decide. Comment down below. Okay, it's a competition. So now we're gonna eat this cheesecake.
Delish.
And just continue our day and just have fun.
Bye, guys.